Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how you can make simple LED board using some basic materials. This is a nice project idea for beginners. Also you can use it to decorate your rooms. So let's dive right in.
Here's everything we will need for this project. Some LEDs, wires and some cardboard sheets or any other base you like to use. First, I started by drawing the letters on the cardboard. I made sure to keep the letters big enough so I could place the LEDs easily. You can choose any font or style that you like. This is your chance to get creative. Once the design was ready, I poked small holes at each point where I wanted to place an LED. Make sure the holes are slightly smaller than the LEDs so they fit perfectly. After that, I inserted the LEDs through the holes with a longer leg or anode on one side and the shorter leg or cathode on the other. Now it's time to connect all the LEDs together. For that, we need to solder the positive pins separately and the negative ones separately. After wiring, I connected the positive end of my power source to the anode wires and the negative end to the cathode wires. Depending on your power source, you might need to add a resistor to avoid burning out the LEDs. Since I am using 5V from USB, I didn't need one in my case. So this is the final result. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like this video.
Thanks for watching. Meet you in a new tech innovative video. Till that, stay tuned.